Hey you guys, I hope that your week is going well. So today I'm showing you a very easy, simple one pan chicken quarter meal. Of course you can use any cut of chicken that you would like with this. We're going to be using very minimal seasonings and this is going to be so good. I'm trying to tell you, fall off the bone good, okay? Now you know, if you do know or if you don't know, maybe you don't, but go watch my other videos. Very heavy on the seasoning. I don't know why in the world my child just picked up a toy as I'm recording this. If you have children, then you understand why. You see me doing something. Why? Anyway, make sure you season it. Now, with this curry, it's a coconut curry recipe, right? I not came up with it like that, but I do my own thing with it. The number one thing with this is making sure that you're not heavy on the seasoning, but yes, be heavy on the seasoning. You'll see in a second that all of this seasoning is going to create like a paste, and that paste is really what you want to use. If you're familiar with like the curry cubes that you can put like in the refrigerator, things like that, then you'll be familiar with the texture of how all these spices coming together are going to be. The number one thing that I need to do is get more curry. Like, well, I don't know why I have this little jar. I don't know what in the world. Why do I have a little jar of curry? This rice is fire. I low-key have esophagitis. I don't know what it's called, but it's hard to swallow things sometimes. And that rice is really, really good. So the other day I had made like a rice spinach situation in the crock pot, well, the rice cooker. And I'm gonna pair that with this because it's leftover rice. We're going to use it. But this paste right here, this is what I'm talking about. So you're going to want to do exactly this. You really want to get it in there, okay? I'm very, very serious about the like seasoning your meat thing, because you can season the outside, it's completely fine, but if you don't rub it in there, you're going to taste blandness in the inside of the chicken. So as you see, I'm doing the coconut milk by Silk. Like I said, just basic coconut milk, not a big deal. Very beautiful bubble. In the middle of the process, I decided to put in some okra and some bell peppers. They're frozen. All of these items, well, the seasonings as you saw, those came from Walmart, but the rest of the items did come from Smith's. This is what it looks like, and I hope that you try and enjoy.